राज्यात बिरेस्तारा सावन नोबल प्राइज सिरीजाक सुरवात जाल्या। 1 ते 3 फेब्रुवार मजगती ही कार्यावळ चलतली। देश विदेश प्रतिनिधी बरोबर मुखेलमंत्री ह्या कार्यावळीच्या उक्तावण सुवाळ्याक हाजीर आशिल्ले। RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस।
सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मा अमृतोगमय। This is India, from ignorance to knowledge, from darkness to light, and from death to eternity. This is a place which has always shown importance to knowledge, and in this place, beautiful place, I welcome you once again. We are indeed grateful for the opportunity to host this year's edition of Nobel Prize Series Goa, a small state with an important biodiversity hotspot of Western Ghat of India, and which has a strong scientific legacy of its own, having produced eminent scientists like Sri D.D. Kosambe, Sri Raghunath Mashelkar, and Sri Anil Kakodkar. Our government seeks to reinforce Goa's status as a scientific hub of India, with a strong focus on not only significantly strengthening scientific education in our state, but also promoting a scientific temperament across the state. To this effect, we are setting up 2 new education hubs in the state. We seek to develop the capacity of our human capital, most precious resource, into knowledge powerhouse that fuels our nation's growth and addresses our most critical development issues through innovation. We would like to assure this august gathering that we will ensure that we carry forward the momentum built by this event around the importance of breakthroughs in scientific research. As a first initiative in this direction, we would like to announce an annual Innovation in Science contest for all senior school and college students of Goa.
All our assembled guests who are being hosted by the government of Goa, Sri Havaldar, Ulrika Sonberg, Matthias Verenius, Serge Harosh, Christian Biswain-Pollard, Karl-Henrik Heiden, who's the head of the Nobel Foundation, which awards all the prizes. So if you want a prize, you must be nice to him. Rich Roberts, Tom Lindau, and Ole Alson from the Nobel Museum. It is a great pleasure and an honor for all of us to be hosted by all of you in this hall filled with young people, teachers, and students from all over Goa and all over India. People sometimes ask, why is Goa holding this great festival of science? And what does Goa expect from this, being such a small state? And your Chief Minister has answered this very beautifully to say that if he's given a place to rest his lever, then he can move anything. And Goa is such a wonderful place to influence the whole world.
As a scientist myself, I have always strongly believed in this theme and attitude. But now it is even more important than ever to empower this concept when we see what is happening in the world around us. I know we have a unique number of days to look forward to, and it pleases me to get to meet so many people here, especially students and teachers, that share the same passion for knowledge as myself, and I dare say, as the man behind the Nobel Prize, Alfred Nobel. Alfred Nobel, the founder of the Nobel Prizes and a great scientist and entrepreneur himself, understood that good role models, people and organizations, can demonstrate that it is possible to understand the world and to improve it.